Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets insight. If you're someone with curly or wavy hair, you've probably faced the daily battle of frizz, dryness, and those unruly flyaways. But what if there was a product designed not only to tame your curls, but also to enhance their natural beauty? That's where the Philip B Mega Curl Enhancer comes in. But is it truly the game changer your curls need? Let's dive in and find out. Product overview. The Philip B Mega Curl Enhancer is an ultra-moisturizing leave-in conditioner crafted to transform your curls. This product boasts a blend of botanical extracts like African shea butter, hops, nettle, and comfrey, which are designed to hydrate, define, and smooth your curls. It also promises to boost color retention and calm those pesky flyaways, making it ideal for color-treated or keratin-treated hair. The formula is lightweight, which ensures it won't weigh your curls down. The product is safe for all hair types, but it's especially beneficial for wavy and curly hair, adding shine and definition without the crunch. Real-world testing and usage experience. I've been testing the Mega Curl Enhancer on both damp and dry hair, and here's what I found. First off, the application process is pretty straightforward. Just work a small amount into damp hair. It has a nice creamy texture that's easy to distribute, and it absorbs quickly into the hair without leaving any greasy residue. I've tried it with a blowout using a diffuser and also left it to air dry. Both methods work beautifully, but air drying definitely gives my curls a softer, more natural finish. What I absolutely love is how this product doesn't weigh my curls down. It gives them a light, bouncy feel while still providing plenty of moisture. The frizz control is excellent, and my hair feels smooth without being stiff or crunchy. I've even noticed more definition in my curls, which is a huge win for anyone with wavy or curly hair like mine. However, I will say that if you have very fine or limp curls, you might find that it doesn't provide as much volume as you might prefer. Pros and cons. Let's talk about the pros and cons of this product. Pros. Moisturizing. It provides deep hydration to curls without making them greasy. Frizz control tames flyaways and reduces frizz significantly. Color safe. Safe to use on color-treated hair and won't strip the color. Natural ingredients. Contains beneficial botanicals like shea butter and comfrey that nourish the hair. Lightweight. Doesn't weigh curls down, leaving them bouncy and defined. Cons. Volume. If you're looking for volume, this may not be the best product for you. It focuses more on definition and moisture. Pricing. It's on the higher end of the pricing spectrum, which might not be suitable for everyone's budget. Value for money. At $28 for a 6 Fall Aughts bottle, the Philip B Mega Curl Enhancer is definitely an investment. But if you have curly or wavy hair and struggle with frizz and dryness, this product is a solid choice. The ingredients, rich in natural botanicals, make it worth the price, especially for those with color-treated or keratin-treated hair who need something gentle yet effective. If you're looking for a product that enhances curl definition without the crunch, this one's a win. Comparisons. In comparison to other curl enhancers on the market, the Mega Curl Enhancer stands out for its luxurious ingredients and overall performance. Many similar products often leave curls crunchy or weighed down, but this one provides a softer, more natural finish. In terms of price, it's comparable to other high-end curl enhancers, though there are some alternatives out there, like Diva Curl's Super Cream or Ouidade's Curl Quencher, which are also worth considering. Build quality and longevity. The packaging is sleek and simple, with a sturdy bottle that's easy to use. As for longevity, a little goes a long way with this product, so the 6 Fall should last for quite a while, depending on your hair length. I've used it for over a month, and I still have plenty left. Mid-review call to action. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on the Philip B Mega Curl Enhancer, the link is in the comments. Customer support. Although I haven't had to directly contact Philip B's customer support, the brand is known for being responsive and helpful when addressing customer concerns. Their reputation for high-quality products and customer care is solid, which is always a good sign when investing in premium hair care. Product alternatives. If the Philip B Mega Curl Enhancer is a bit out of your price range, I'd suggest looking into alternatives like Maui Moisture Curl Quench plus Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie, or Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Smoothie. Both are great options that provide moisture and frizz control at a more affordable price point. Final verdict. The Philip B Mega Curl Enhancer is a fantastic choice for those looking to enhance their natural curls with a product that hydrates, defines, and controls frizz. While it may not add volume, it delivers on its promises of smooth, shiny, and well-defined curls. If you're willing to invest in high-end hair care, this product is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.